Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a healthy salad. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make this healthy salad. Well, let's get started with this video. You can take a look in the description section. I am selling a digital course, and this course teaches you how you can make money online with digital products. So if you're interested in making money online, and if you want to quit your 9 to 5, or if you just want to earn extra income, you can take a look at my course down in the description section. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. In this salad, I'm going to be adding salmon. I'm also going to be adding strawberries, blueberries, tomatoes, and I'm also going to be adding avocado. You can add the ingredients that you like for this salad. This is a very easy and healthy salad that you can do for lunch, for dinner, or even for an event. It's very easy to make and it doesn't have a lot of ingredients. Comment down below, where are you watching us from? Are you from the United States? Are you from another country? Let us know in the comments. We want to know. Let us know as well, what is your favorite type of salad? Do you like fruits in the salad, or you prefer not to have any fruits? Let us know, how do you like your salad? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel for more videos. Until next time, bye bye now.